Let's take a look at a recurrence relation. And this recurrence relation starts at 15,000. The first value is at 15,000. And then the next value is 1.003 times the previous value to take 45. Well, we have to make a choice which model this could represent. So let's have a look at what's happening. Let's look at A0. It starts out at 15,000. Just waiting for the screen. It's just momentarily shut down. So we start at 15,000. The next value, let's just do that calculation while we're waiting for the screen. It's 1.000, 1.00, was it 3 zeros or 2 zeros? I'll just say 003 times 15,000, and then minus 45. Well, that takes us from 15,045 minus 45. So each time it'll take us back to 15,000. So every month it's going to go back to 15,000. So if it starts out at 15,000, the next month it's going to be 15,000. The following month it's going to be 15,000. All right. So then what this represents is each month we've got interest being calculated, which is 0.003. Now, 0.003 is 0.3%. That is 3.6% annually because you multiply that by 12. So what we've got here is we've got a 3.6% annual interest, and it's compounding monthly. So that's at a 0.3% monthly interest. That takes it up $45. Then you make a $45 payment. So really all we're doing is maintaining interest. So every month there's $45 interest and we make a payment of $45. So it chocks it back down to 15,000. So the screen is back on again. Let me just confirm that it's still sharing, and then I'll wrap this question up, even though I've had to talk you through it most of the time. Let's see if we can get this screen responding so we can wrap it up. It's very slow. I guess that's understandable since no, it's not responding at all.